Hi everyone, welcome to another round of the Fun Foody Box challenge, and it's exciting because we are making progress. Welcome back to my channel, Solo Mom Budget. I'm Sonia, a teacher and a single mom of two on a mission to make the most of our family budget while still enjoying life. As always, first of all, thank you so much for being here, for watching, for supporting. Right, you know what? Let's get right into it. So this challenge is hosted by OCB Budgets, The Bubbly Stuffer, My Wife Budget Life, Becca Budget 777, and Pink Plum Budgeting. And then today we have 30 euros again, 5, 10, 15, because I did so well last time, counting with the 5, so I'm doing it again today. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now, since we finished the this or that game last time, I did take out the this or that cards as well. And then I also realized I kept saying this and that instead of this or that. Oh well, you know, still managed to save for it, so all is good, I guess. As always, let me, or as always, as every Thursday for the last, I don't know, 2 months, let's shuffle these and then let's start. So, search and save crab salad. All right, should be easy to find. Here it is. Yes, perfect. So this is for Becca Budget 777 for her sushi crab salad, and it is 3 euros. Okay. And then we are done with this one. Just in case I haven't mentioned it in a while, I'm not doing the extra roll the dice because I'm already on a limited budget, so I am skipping that step. Roll and save desserts. Okay, let's do that. And we'll do it with a 3-sided die. Ooh, and we are saving 3 euros for this here. Not sure what it is. Not sure I know all of the, oh well, all of the desserts. Whatever it is, it did save me 3 euros. So I am satisfied with that. Okay, putting this back in. And then, oh, search and save garlic. Let's see, can we find all the garlic here? I do use garlic in my recipe. I just don't know if I put it on my ingredients list. Garlic bread, that's probably something else. I'll skip it for now. How hard can it be to find garlic 4 times? Come on. And there it is. Okay, so this is North Country Cash Queens beef and broccoli. And we're going to save 3 euros, or pay 3 euros for her garlic. And then let's cross it off here just so I know that I found it at least once already. Garlic powder, I do believe that this is part of this card. So for the budgeting, TA's French and Parmesan chicken tenders. And here it's 2 euros for this recipe. And then 2 more times. Can we find it? No. I did put garlic into my recipe. All right, I thought so. I just wasn't sure because we had, you know, a limited amount of 6 ingredients. And I wasn't sure if garlic was one of them. All right, 2 euros. Go into my recipe. And then let's find it one more time. Oh, I did it for free. This one is for free. Okay, because it was just $1 here for Claudia Creations, chicken pasta. So we're done with this card actually. Okay, search and save Lotus Biscoff. Hold on, I just went buy that somewhere here. Did I not? No. Okay. My mind is playing games. No, so that's not that. Lotus Biscoff. I swear I could have sworn I saw it somewhere in the front. Lotus Biscoff. Okay, here, Blissful Budgeting. And this is for her waffles with Lotus Biscoff spread. I knew it was in the recipe name. $4. Let me see. I'm going to take out 1 and put in a 5. Okay. Are we done? Oh, hold on. Oh, we're done with this one. Oh, great. How much did this save us? So 2 and 3 is 5, 9, 10, 11, 14, 18. No, that can't be right. Should it not be 20 at least? All of them should be 20 at least. Look at me doing kids math with a calculator. Plus 3 plus 4. It is 18. Okay, I thought all the recipes were supposed to save us 20. I'm sorry, maybe I'm mistaken. And let's see if we do have 18 in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No. Okay, all is good. We are right. And this is, I believe, the 3rd recipe we have completed. Oh my God, isn't that amazing? We are making progress. We are making progress and it is exciting. And out with this one. Perfect. Yay. All right. I do maybe need one of those bells, right? Ding, ding, ding. Finished another one. Search and Save spring roll wrappers. Now, if this is not, it is not for the sushi. Okay, sorry. Okay. Oh no, because yeah, for the sushi you need the sushi paper. Okay, that's not called the, yeah, sorry. Never mind me. Spring roll wrappers. That was a bit embarrassing. Oh well. Okay, here they are. Spring roll wrappers for the Vietnamese spring rolls. And this is from An Craft and Budgets with An. Okay, and they are $2. Perfect. And then, ta-da, moving on. Under budgeted? No. Okay, under budgeted. We'll do this one more time. I do like this one. I don't know why. So 3. So we're going in here and we'll scratch off the number 3 in the ice cream food stand. This was made, these catch-alls were all made by my wife Budget Life, by the way. 1, no. Okay. I think I can do it better this time, and I'm taking out 2 this way and putting in 5, right? Let me know if I made a mistake, but I think that's how it goes. Okay. And then soy sauce. By the way, I don't eat sushi. I do like spring rolls though. But yeah, sushi is not my thing at all. I've tried it several times, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess we just all have different taste buds. Everyone likes something, different. Soy sauce, I don't remember. There it is. Okay, North Country Cash Cream. Again, for our beef and broccoli, and we are finishing this recipe as well. Yay, $3 for her soy sauce, and this saved us, let's see, 5, 8, 12, 15, and 20. Perfect. Let's see. It should be 20 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. I love it. Done with one more. Putting it into my completed challenge envelope, which is also my bank. And let's take this out. That way, you know, we can just find everything else easier. Okay, yay! By the way, let me clap. Well, what was it? Ding, ding, ding. Garlic bread. Garlic bread. Garlic powder. I did see garlic bread, right? I just read it aloud. Yes. Okay, and we do have enough for it because we just have 5 euros left. So let me take one out. Put the 5 in. And this is for my wife Budget Life spaghetti bolognese. Great. And we only need one ingredient here as well to finish. Oh my god, we're making great progress today. I love it. Chicken, oh boy, yeah. Don't think so. We won't be able to do anything. Oh, I think I said this last Thursday that I don't have any ingredient that's worth just $1. So I guess I'll just go to the games. Just wanted to see, yeah, burger is 5 as well. You know what? I'll just do one of the games with the €1 and we'll do the cupcake savings since each of these is just worth 50 cents. So let's scratch off 2 and we're almost, well, we're close to finishing this one as well. And that's it, because I don't want to do an IOU, to be honest. Like I already mentioned this last time, I don't like to do IOUs, so that is it. Okay, great round today. Did we finish 3 recipes, if I remember right? So perfect. All right, well, thanks again for being here, for watching, for you know, spending some time with me. If you're new here, sorry, and you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I see you all soon. Bye.